Wait a second, is that hermit crab using a can as a shell? Why are so many hermit crabs using trash as shells? Hermit crabs rely on shells for protection from the sun and predators, but they can't make their own shells. Instead, they will find discarded shells of snails or other hermit crabs to live in. Hermit crabs are notoriously picky renters, so why are they living in trash instead of shells? Before we can answer this question, we need to know more about hermit crabs and how they pick their homes.
Hermit crabs aren't actually crabs. They're more closely related to lobsters. If we take a look at them without their shell, we can see they have a long and soft tail. This means if left exposed, they would be an easy snack for predators. So, without this behavior of being picky renters, they'd be dead.
Hermit crabs are a lot like Goldilocks. They need a shell that's not too small, not too big, but one that is just right. A study from 2004 used 3D printing to see what size shell hermit crabs prefer. The results show that hermit crabs choose to live in shells that fit them best and are not oversized. Size is not the only factor involved. Thickness is also important. The hermit crabs found in tide pools prefer thicker shells. These shells are heavy and can slow down growth, but are very protective. Thin shells are light and allow for faster body growth. Now that we know what their preferences are, let's see how they find new shells as they grow. Hermit crabs line up next to each other when they're able to exchange shells. Hermes will order themselves from biggest to smallest and switch up a size.
Another way hermit crabs can find new shells is through chemical cues. Chemical cues are environmental signals including smell. When a snail or hermit crab dies, it releases chemical cues into the air and water. These chemical cues attract hermit crabs to the shell. Over 500 hermit crabs have been found in one container, likely due to this attracting effect. Chemical cues also allow Hermes to choose the best shell for their situation. Hermit crabs can sense their predators are nearby and choose a shell to counteract them. For example, when presented with the cue of a predator that breaks shells, the hermit crab chose tight-fitting shells that allowed them to escape faster.
If shells are so important for hermit crabs, why are some of them using trash? Well, we humans may be causing this trend. Our beach activities have a direct impact on hermit crabs. Tourists will take home their favorite shells, which reduces the number of available shells. They will also leave behind trash, including plastics. Plastic waste degrades into microplastics, which reduces a hermit crab's ability to choose a good shell. As a result, many hermit crabs end up living in trash. Some scientists believe that trash shells may have unexpected benefits, including being more attractive to other hermit crabs and being able to blend into garbage patches. However, these benefits are outweighed by the detrimental effects of pollution. Next time you go to a beach, pick up any trash you see and leave behind those cool shells. The hermit crabs will thank you.